Hello, my name is Sean Chugtai, and we are the RoundTable-OJ.
I'm John Murray.
I'm Alex Ramsey, and here's our Mechatronics project. So we have our stand made out of wood. We have an Arduino Mega 2560, breadboard, and we've got our hand right here, which we purchased from Amazon. For the sensors, we're using a humidity and temperature sensor, a water level sensor.
Here we have an ultrasonic sensor, and then we also have an infrared sensor with a remote.
And for a power supply, we're using a AC to DC converter, which has a variable voltage, which we purchased from Best Buy. So this is holding an object with the hand. And to activate the hand, we're going to be using the ultrasonic proximity sensor. So here the hand's open, and then Sean's going to put his hand in front of the ultrasonic proximity sensor, and it's going to close it. And then if he removes his hand, it will open. So first we'll try with an eraser. Oh, there we go. And then we could do like an expo marker. There we go. So now we're going to show 1 to 5 and then 5 to 1 using buttons. So for the buttons, we're going to use our infrared remote, which hooked up to the infrared sensor. So go ahead and push 0. So there's 1, and then 2, 3, 4, and then 5, and then 5. We'll go 4.
Oh.
Yep. There you go. Yep. There we go. And here's random numbers using buttons. Okay, that's good. So next we're going to be doing the water level sensor. So there's a cup of water in the water level sensor. So when he dips it in the water, it's going to close the hand. And then when he removes it, it opens it. So this is a demonstration of our hand counting from 1 to 5 and then from 5 to 1 using a sensor. So for this test, we're using a temperature sensor. It's also a humidity sensor, but we're not using that function currently. So it's going to count from 1 to 5 depending on the temperature. Increase in temperature is an increase in count. And I currently have the serial monitor running on Arduino, so occasionally it'll show an errant temperature value, but it's pretty accurate. That's temperature in degrees Celsius. So, okay, you can go ahead and turn it on the heat. Oh, keep going.
Oh, shoot.
It's okay. There we go. There's 5. So you can go ahead and turn it off. And then, so our temperature, so it's around 48 degrees is where it got to. And you can go ahead and put the cool on there. Okay. So it'll cool back down. Right. So this is on a cool setting. Oh, that was the errant reading. That's good. As you can see, we've cooled back down to room temperature of 28 degrees. Right. So this is a demonstration of a sensor. We're going to use the same temperature sensor to show random numbers, so we've changed up the Arduino code a little bit. All right, you can go ahead and apply the heat.
So this isn't a demonstration of our rock, paper, scissors, Rowdy Spider-Man. Pressing 0, as you can see, it's already in rock. 1, it's in scissors. 2, it's in paper. 3, it's in Roadrunner. And 4, it's in Spider-Man. And then click them correspondingly.
Yep.
So here's a demonstration of our hand playing rock, paper, scissors versus a human. So here we go.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
So rock beats scissors. We can go again.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
So scissors beats paper.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
And then there we go. Paper beats rock.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Roadrunner beats Spider-Man.
1, 2, 3, shoot.
Spider-Man beats rock. There we go. Glue.